Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Bang Bang Con 2021 tour merch. So basically they just released old merch and put them up for sale. I just got some of the Magic Shop photo cards just because I wanted to see what photo cards I would get this time around. And I really wanted the group PC, or the group poster, because I tend to collect the group posters just because I really think that they're really cute. And it's looking like they gave me 2 of the same posters, so that kind of sucks. So I'm going to have to find the other 2. I was really hoping to get the Magic Shop one because I really like that one. But, you know, they were random. So, it is what it is. And this one's already bent. Do you see that? Oh, that's so upsetting because it's like you spend so much money to get stuff that's bent. So, yeah, that's just wonderful. So I managed to get 4 photo card sets, and I'm going to go ahead and open them. I'm going to open this too. This should be my Jimin Wings PC. This one. I thought this one was really cute. That's why I wanted, that's why I went ahead and bought it. Let's go ahead and open this one up first. He's so cute. This is like one of the cutest photo cards ever. So, put that to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and open these. So, I'm going to take them out of the plastic. I used to have pretty much almost a complete OT7 set of these, or I guess, you know, OT7 in group, but I ended up selling the majority of them. So hopefully we won't get any dupes. So, oh, I think they're dupes. Oh man, Big Hit should really do a better job at, what do you call it, at picking random PCs, because I feel like it's probably like in the warehouse, it's probably like a set, you know what I mean? Like each section has a set, and I feel like sometimes people just get lazy and they just pick out like the same sets, you know what I mean? So we have, this is the first set of PCs. Okay, let's see if this one is the same one. So maybe I should do it like this. I don't think it's gonna fit. Let me shift them. Yeah, this is not gonna fit. We'll just do it like this. So, yep, same set. Yep, same set. So that sucks. I'm just gonna move those to the side. So I think these 2 are different sets. Yeah. And I think these are out of 8. Yep, out of 8. And I think, isn't this the same Hobie PC? No, different expressions. So this is the group. Let's see. At least, I mean, 3 out of 4 separate that are different sets. I mean, I guess that's pretty good. But yeah, that's it. I'm really happy about this PC. It's really cute. Besides that, really disappointed that we were limited to only 2 PCs per like order or whatever, and 2 of them were the same sets. And then pretty upset about that because it's not like I can exchange it or whatever, but it is what it is. And I was really hoping to get at least like 2 out of the 3, or at least a Magic Shop one, but now I just got 1 and a ruined one. So it's not like I can even trade this one because it's pretty much ruined. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day.